Hello everyone, good evening. So today we are going to discuss one more interesting topic. Here we have three words. Three words are what? Expect, accept and accept. So three words we have. Pronunciation is almost similar, but meaning is different and pronunciation is also different. So first word we have, which is expect, expect. This is accept, accept. So this is how you can pronounce these three words. Pronunciation is similar. Most of you getting confused in these three words, so that is why today I am going to discuss these three words with its meaning, example and pronunciation. We'll also do some quiz on the basis of these three words. So let's start. So this is the first word we have, which is expect. We are expecting something. This word is familiar to you, most of you. Okay? Expect, we are expecting something. What does it mean? Expect, that means regard something as likely to happen. Something would be happen, जो भी आगे होने वाला है फ्यूचर में, that we are expecting. क्या होने वाला है वो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, यानी आशा करते हैं कि ऐसे कुछ हो सकता है फ्यूचर में. ठीक है, ऐसे हम सोचते हैं कि ऐसे कुछ हो सकता है. दैट इज नथिंग बट एक्सपेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राहुल इज एक्सपेक्टिंग 80% मार्क्स इन एग्जाम. इट मीन्स वॉट? वो ऐसे फ्यूचर में सोच रहे कि उसको 80% मार्क्स मिल सकता है. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस विथ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. दे वर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग हिम टू कंटिन्यू. वो ये नहीं सोच रहे थे कि वो आगे कंटिन्यू करेगा. एक्सपेक्ट, दैट मीन्स वॉट? हम ऐसे सोचते हैं आगे फ्यूचर के लिए. एक्सपेक्ट, दैट मीन्स वॉट? रिगार्ड समथिंग एज लाइकली टू हैपन. हम ऐसे सोच रहे कि आगे वो ऐसे फ्यूचर में हो सकता है. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड एक्सपेक्ट. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड वी हैव, दैट इज एक्सेप्ट. Accept. What does it mean? Accept, that means what? Not including or excluding something. Not including or excluding something या फिर other than. Yes. For example, I work every day except Sunday. Sunday को छोड़कर, ठीक है, या फिर Sunday के अलावा मैं बाकी दिन काम करता हूँ. So expect, that means what? Not including. Sunday को नहीं होगा काम. Not including, or you can say excluding. That is the meaning of this word accept. And pronunciation accept, and this is the meaning. So this is the difference between these two words. Expect means what? We are expecting something. आगे future में ऐसे हो सकता है, हम expect करते हैं कुछ. And accept means what? Not including. So you can check the spelling as well. Here we have AXPECT and EXCEPT. So this is the difference in spelling as well. So don't get confused. We have third word, which is accept. Accept. ठीक है, सो एक्सेप्ट इज व्हाट? थर्ड वर्ड. एक्सेप्ट मीन्स व्हाट? यू कैन से स्वीकारना किसी चीज को. एक्सेप्ट, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? टू एग्री और टू रिसीव समथिंग ऑफर. जो भी ऑफर किया गया है या फिर जो भी हमारे पास किसी चीज के लिए एग्री करना, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड एक्सेप्ट. Yes, let's understand this with example. We have example, that is, it would be difficult for us to accept. हमें बहुत difficult हो रहा है accept करना. जो भी चीज़ अगर हुई है, किसी चीज़ को हमें accept करने के लिए भी difficulty हो सकती है. Accept means what? स्वीकारना किसी चीज़ को. कोई situation हो सकता है, कोई offer letter हो सकता है, और भी कई चीज़ें हो सकती है जिनको आप accept करते हो. So accept means what? स्वीकारना होता है. Accept means what? To agree करना. Agree मतलब क्या? सहमत होना. To agree or to receive something offered. So these are the three words जिनका मीनिंग ये होता है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस एंड दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स. ठीक है, सो अभी कुछ क्वेश्चन देखते हैं इसके बेस के ऊपर. इनका आंसर जो है मुझे आपको बताना है चैट में. ठीक है, अगर कुछ नया सीखने मिल रहा है, इफ यू आर गेटिंग न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन, कुछ नया सीखने मिल रहा है, कुछ नया देखने मिल रहा है, कुछ नया इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रहा है आपको, देन यू हैव टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. ठीक है, सो लेट्स डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस नाउ विच आर बेस्ड ऑन दिस. ठीक है, I'm giving you only 5 to 10 seconds for solving each and every question. ठीक है, so let's discuss. चलो डिस्कस करते हैं. So first question I am going to write here on this blackboard. ठीक है, it is not actually blackboard, it is whiteboard. Okay, so here you have first question. First question is all the classmates here you have two choices. First choice is accept. First choice you have, here you have two choices. First choice is accept and second choice you have, that is accept. ठीक है, all the classmate dash Ramesh attended the function. ठीक है, yes, attended the function. So this is the first question for you students. Here we have sentence that is all the classmates dash Ramesh attended the function. Can you tell me, yes, which word will you fit here for this dash, or you can say blank के लिए क्या होना चाहिए word, that what would be that word? Except, accept or accept? Yes, write down in chat box. Yes, I am getting correct answer here. So here I can say all the classmates, ठीक है, except Ramesh attended the function. So it means answer of this question is accept, not accept. So it means what? All the classmates except Ramesh, रमेश के अलावा सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने जो है, और या सारे बॉयज़ ने, या फिर जो भी स्टूडेंट्स है, या फिर सारे लोग हैं जो भी थे वहाँ पे, दे अटेंडेड दी फंक्शन. ठीक है, सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्सेप्ट, रमेश के अलावा. ठीक है, सो लेट्स डिस्कस नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन. यस, इफ यू फाइंड दिस लेक्चर इंटरेस्टिंग यू हैव टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द वीडियो. चलो नेक्स्ट बढ़ते आगे. ऑल राइट, ठीक है. So now I'm going to write second sentence now. Yes, you have to answer these questions in 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, we have second sentence now. Second sentence is we have two choices here. First is accept and second we have that is accept. Accept. So we dash, it can be accept or accept the love we think we deserve. We think we deserve. Yes. So give me the answer of this question now. Here we have question which is we dash, it can be accept or accept we dash the love we think we deserve. ठीक है, हम जो है एक्सेप्ट करते हैं या फिर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं द लव वी थिंक वी डिजर्व. व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स? यस, आई एम गेटिंग करेक्ट आंसर नाउ. हियर आई कैन से वी एक्सेप्ट, हम लव को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट, हम उसको मतलब छोड़ते नहीं है दूर में. दैट इज वी एक्सेप्ट दी लव, लव को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. जो भी हम सोचते हैं वी थिंक वी डिजर्व, जो हमें मिलना चाहिए उस लव को हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. सो दैट इज वाई करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस इज एक्सेप्ट, नॉट एक्सेप्ट. ठीक है, सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्सेप्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स मूव टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन नाउ. थर्ड क्वेश्चन वी हैव दैट इज he didn't dash, he didn't. First choice we have that is expect. Don't get confused between these words again and again, expect, accept and accept. ठीक है, so he didn't, it can be expect or accept. He didn't dash, didn't expect me to see me. He didn't dash to see me. What would be the answer of this question, student? He didn't dash to see me. What would be the answer? He didn't expect to see me. He didn't accept to see me. Yes, which sound good? Which sentence sound good? He didn't expect to see me. He didn't expect to see me. He didn't accept to see me. So clearly here I can say accept is clearly wrong because he didn't, उसने ऐसे expect नहीं किया था कि वो मुझे देखेगा. ठीक है, this is the meaning of this sentence. He didn't expect to see me. उसने ऐसे expect नहीं किया था that he would see me in that particular जो भी पार्टी रहेगा या फिर फंक्शन रहेगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है, so he didn't expect to see me, not accept. So it means this is wrong and answer is expect. Yes, I hope it is clear. Okay, move to next now. Fourth sentence, fourth question. ठीक है, I hope you like this video. ठीक है, कुछ नया सीखने मिल रहा है. चलो let's move to next fourth question now. We have fourth question. Fourth question is okay. Everyone will be there at party. Everyone will be there at party. everyone will be there at party. We have two choices here. First choice is accept and next is expect. Okay, so everyone will be there at party. We have two choices and remaining part of sentence is John and Kamal. This is his fourth question which is on your screen. We have sentence that is everyone will be there at the party dash. We have to select any word, any single word between these two, that is accept and expect, John and Kamal. So can you tell me the answer of this question, students? Yes, expect is the correct answer. Good. So many of you are already commenting here, that is everyone will be there at the party except John and Kamal. सारे लोग वहाँ पे पार्टी में थे except किसके सिवा, किसके अलावा, that is John and Kamal. So it means expect is not correct. Answer of this question is accept. ठीक है, so accept is the answer of this question. ठीक है, most of you are commenting here correctly. Yes, good. Next, let's take next question. We have next question is he. First we have choice that is accepted and second choice we have that is accepted. Yes, we have already discussed how we can pronounce these words. This is accept, this is accept. Okay, so this is the difference in pronunciation. So he dash our invitation. Okay, all right, so this is the fifth sentence you have here. We have sentence which is he dash our invitation. So he accepted our invitation. Is that sound good? Yeah, perfect. He accept our invitation. Next we have accept. He accept, उसने कुछ ऐसे उसको निकाल तो नहीं दिया. Accept means what? Exclude something. ठीक है, so it means what? Clearly we can say answer of this question is what? He accept our invitation. So it means this is not correct. So answer of this question is accept. So this is how you can pronounce these three words, and we have already discussed the meaning of these three words. We have seen usage of these three words as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, and if you like this video, you have to share and subscribe.